But this is zero carbs bread, y'all. Look at that. Zero carbs bread. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Look what my daughter got me, Chelly Fontae. I got her something too. It's a surprise. She's going to be real surprised. It came today, the day that I'm recording this video. But this is zero carbs bread, y'all. Look at that. Zero carbs bread from Aldi's. Aldi's and Trader Joe's, they're like brother sister stores. Somebody said they were really related. I don't know. But zero carbs on this bread. This one is wheat bread. This one is wheat. I was taking the price tag off. I don't know how much it was. This one is multi-seed, and honey, I've been eating this one already. Now, let me tell y'all. Okay, let me get in front of the camera. Multi-seed. This one is, the multi-seed is 9 carbs. Now that sounds like a lot. It's 9 carbs for one slice, but check this out. The fiber is 9 grams of fiber. So when you subtract the fiber from the carbs, that's why they say zero net carbs. When you subtract that fiber from those carbs, bingo! And it tastes pretty good. Same thing with this one. 9 carbs per slice and 9 grams of fiber. Pretty good. I am so excited. I made a BLT today with an egg. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't have time to videotape that bad boy. I just cut into it and ate it. But I'm gonna make another one just for y'all, okay? A BLT with egg and cheese with the zero net carbs bread. Okay, so I'll see you in the YouTube streets. I hope you enjoy my sandwich. Don't go nowhere though. I'm gonna make a sandwich. God bless you and have a blessed day and a purposeful life in Jesus' name.